Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Aikos here from iTechFlow. Today we are reviewing another power bank, but let's say it's a power station because this time I will want to show you guys the QOOVI 50,000 milliampere batteries with 100 watts fast charging, retractable cable and a lot of stuff, features to make your life easier. So as usual, let's go through with the unboxing, the design, the build, and the performance, the charging, and let's see is it worth for you or not. Let's go. So as usual guys, let's start with the unboxing. Let's see what's the box include. So inside the box we've got the QOOVI 50,000 milliampere power bank itself, and this thing is huge. It feels more like a mini power station than a pocket bank. We get also a USB-C to USB-C 100 watt cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and the usual user manuals. Surprisingly, everything comes nicely packed and well protected. The overall protection is clean, and I like that QOOVI includes both cable types, so you're ready to charge pretty much anything straight out of the box, from laptops to older USB-A devices. The power bank has that rugged industrial vibe, matte finish, curved edges, and a small color TFT display on the top, which is showing you battery percentage, voltage and output status. Now let's pick the design and the build. This power bank looks and feels solid. It's definitely on the heavier side, but that's what you expect from a 50,000 milliampere battery. The body has a matte finish with smooth curves and it feels really durable in the hand. For the ports, you've got two USB-A outputs for regular fast charging, one USB-C port that works for both input and output, and the built-in retractable USB-C cable, which is actually super handy. You don't always need to carry a cable around. On the top there is a small colorful TFT display that shows your battery percentage, voltage and which ports are active. You also get a power button on the top, and overall the design feels practical, made for people who travel or use multiple devices every day. Now let's speak about the capacity and the charging. You've got two USB-A ports that supports up to 22.5 watts, great for fast charging phones, earbuds or smaller gadgets. Then there is the USB-C port, which goes all the way up to 100 watts, perfect for charging laptops or tablets. And my favorite part, a built-in retractable USB-C cable, also rated for 100 watts, so you can just pull it out and start charging without needing to find the cable. On the top there is a dual LED light, which is actually pretty bright and handy if you are using it at night or while traveling. It even has a handle built into the body, making it easier to carry since it's a big unit. I tested it with a bunch of devices. My iPhone Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max, AirPods, iPads and even a controller are charged perfectly fine. The phones reached fast charging speed with no overheating and the iPad pulled a solid output through the Type-C port. The real-world performance feels great. It can easily charge a laptop once, your phone several times, and small devices all day long. The display keeps you updated, which is a nice touch for keeping track of everything. Okay, let's wrap up guys. So overall, the QOOVI 50,000 mAh power bank is a real powerhouse. It's big, but it gives you enough energy to keep all your devices alive for days. If you go for camping, fishing or travel a lot, this thing is perfect. You can charge your phone, iPad or even your laptop without worrying about running out of battery. The retractable cable, the display, the handle make it super practical to use anywhere. For that price, I would say it's totally worth it if you need a strong, long-lasting power on the go. And thank you QOOVI for sending me this product over, it was a pleasure to test it. So guys, honestly, if you're planning a trip for a weekend, for camping, for fishing or whatever in the forest, and you bring with you your laptop, your tablet, your phones, your USB-C charged lamps or whatever, these things will be absolutely fit for your trip. It's not just a 10,000 or a 20,000 milliampere battery as usual with a MagSafe you put on your phone and ready to go. It's a power station. It has much more power. It's, let's say, 3-4 times more power than a regular power bank. And while you want to keep your stuff alive during the weekend, let's say in the forest, that's gonna be perfect for you. So I absolutely recommended it. So thank you guys for watching. It was Aikos from iTechFlow. Subscribe please if you haven't yet. press the like button, put your thoughts down in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one.